The massive HyperOS 3 update is finally here, built on Android 16, and it's transforming your device into something smarter, faster, and more refined than ever before. This isn't just another patch, it's a complete evolution of Xiaomi's software vision. Rolling out across Europe, the new firmware, version OS 3.0.30 WOMEUXM, comes in at a hefty 7.6 gigabytes. So yes, you'll want to be on Wi-Fi for this one. If your Poco F7 Ultra shows an EU build number, head to Settings, followed by About Phone, then System Update, and you can check for HyperOS 3 manually. The moment you boot into HyperOS 3, the difference is immediate. A cleaner interface, smoother animations, and that subtle, polished aesthetic that feels, let's be honest, a little iOS-inspired. Menus glide effortlessly. Notifications stack more neatly. The control center feels lighter and more intuitive. It's minimalism done right. But the beauty isn't just skin deep. Underneath, Android 16 brings optimization that you can feel. Xiaomi has overhauled memory management, fine-tuned background processes, and improved thermal efficiency. That means faster multitasking, better stability, and longer battery life, even during heavy gaming or 4K video capture. HyperOS 3 is more than a version number. It's Xiaomi's unification of devices under one design language. From smartphones to tablets and even smart home products, everything now speaks the same visual language. It's smoother, smarter, and built for the connected future. So, if you've got a Poco F7 Ultra in Europe, it's time to update and experience what HyperOS 3 has to offer. A fresh look, boosted performance, and a taste of what's next for Xiaomi's software world. Drop a comment below. Tell us how your update went and whether HyperOS 3 lives up to the hype. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on Android 16 and beyond.